friends, welcome to your channel TNE, an employment and education channel for all. This video is about top 10 tips to score 90% or above for school studies. Some students want to score good marks but not able to in spite of studying for a long hours, joining tuitions and or coaching classes. Then what is wrong with them and why they are not able to score well in the exams? Even some parents complain our children are not able to concentrate on studies and not able to score well in the exams. So what are the practical strategies and tips which students should follow or the parents can advise them to follow? If you are a student or parent, please watch this video from the beginning till the end without skipping. Meanwhile, I also request you to please subscribe, like, comment, share our channel for more useful videos in future also. Let us go to the video. Okay, the first tip is start learning early. What does it mean? Before your teacher starts teaching in the classes, have a glance over the chapter from the textbooks. Try to understand the concepts. You can take the help of Google for meanings of words and for the explanation of the concepts. You will get even free tutorials in YouTube posted by reputed coaching institutions, coaching centers and teachers who are having specialized knowledge in the subjects. It is ideal to watch a lesson in YouTube for maths and science and the subjects which you think you are weak in. Fully utilize your free sources and make yourself strong in each chapter before your teacher starts teaching you in the classes. Also, please keep in mind, please don't mug up the chapter. You should understand the concepts, then you should memorize all the concepts before your teacher starts teaching in the classes. When your teacher starts teaching in the classes, you will be more confident, you will be understand more and you will pick up more. You will be able to complete the chapter in advance, which will be useful for you both in the short run and also in the long run. Second important tip is giving utmost importance to textbooks and short notes. Why? Most of the questions are asked directly from the textbooks or questions are asked from the concepts clearly explained in the textbooks. And then fully read, understand and memorize school notes also provided by the teachers in the classes or by a soft or hard copy. School notes and worksheets will further make the concepts clear to you and will help you to score high marks. Also, you should have 100% concentration and focus when your teacher is teaching in the classes, either offline or online. Never ever divert your attention when your class is going on and when your teacher is teaching. Third important tip is following one-day study plan or maximum 2-day study plan. Most students commit mistakes preparing study schedules for 1 week or even 1 month, which is practically not possible to follow, particularly when the students have started going to school. You will not know when and what assignments, projects, homeworks will be given by the teachers and how much time it will take to finish. So it is better to prepare one-day schedule. While preparing one-day schedule, allot or reserve 1 to 1.5 hours for your school works. For rest of the time available, you can prepare schedule for studying and completing the chapters of all the subjects, if possible, equally distributed. So this will be very practical and highly useful both in the long and in the short run. So please follow one-day study schedule or maximum 2-day study schedule. Tip number 4 is minutes study plan for more outputs. There are a lot of students who sit for 8 hours per day, but actually they have a productivity of just 2 or 3 hours, maybe even lesser. So rest of the whole time they were either staring at the wall or lost in their own fantasy world. The book is open and the students' eyes were just scanning the text. The mind was thinking about something else whole time. So if you continuously study for more than 2-3 hours, your output productivity will be very less. Then how to get 100% output with full concentration? It's very simple. You study for 45 minutes to 1 hour maximum. Then take a break of 10 to 15 minutes. Relax or listen to your favorite music or walk or have your favorite food drinks or light healthy foods. Whatever you want to do during this 10 to 15 minutes break. At the same time, make sure that your breaks do not exceed 10 to 15 minutes. Then again continue studying for 45 minutes to 1 hour with 15 minutes breaks as I told earlier. You will not only have 100% concentration and focus on your studies, the productivity, the output will be more and more, and you will be able to cover a lot of concepts and chapters also. Fifth important tip is consistency in study, practice and regular revision. Some students study seriously for some days and they stop studying suddenly till the exam approaches. Lack of continuity in studies and lack of revision will have lot of negative impacts, like you will forget what you already studied, number of incomplete chapters will get accumulated, you will have very limited time to complete and practice the left out chapters and to revise also just before the exam. You should therefore have consistency in your studies and should keep revising the chapters you have covered on daily basis. Consistent practice for maths and numerical problems of science and revising other subjects are most important to score high marks. Also give more importance to difficult, complicated and lengthy questions and practice them again and again. Please don't ever waste time in doing easy and medium level questions, because only difficult, complicated, lengthy questions will disturb you when you are attempting your exams. And also they are very time consuming. This is one of the most important strategies followed by the intelligent, top scoring students, which you also please follow to score high marks in all your exams. Sixth important tip. You have any doubts in any of the concepts, or are you not able to understand the meanings or the technical terms used in your chapters in the textbooks, you please get the help of Google, YouTube or educational portals. If you want to go for any paid educational portals, you can join any one of them, but you please make a thorough research about any educational portals, that is the quality of the video tutorials provided by them, the reviews, the cost, the qualifications of the teachers, etc. If you cannot afford for any educational portals, or if you are not able to join any coaching classes, you can still go for free educational portals, free educational YouTubes, or you can search information in Google which are available and which are provided by the educational institutions or some subject expert teachers. Seventh important tip is preparing short notes, formula lists for all the subjects, which will help you for revising the chapters covered by you and for your exams. What all you have to keep in mind while preparing the short notes or the formula lists, which I have listed here. Number one is date your notes and make your topic visible. Write down only important points, make them short, simple and easy to understand. Try taking notes from the examples given in the textbooks or in the notes provided by your teachers from the school. Wherever needed, use mind maps. Wherever necessary, use symbols and abbreviations to keep your short notes very simple and easy to revise. Short notes help you a lot just before exams to recall the contents and formula of the chapters you have covered for your exam. Eighth, another most important tip is applicable for most of the students nowadays is avoiding too much socializing and social media. Please keep in mind success needs sacrifices. There are students who keep their mobile phones on the study table even when they are studying their textbooks. They easily get distracted by the messages, notifications, alerts from their friends, social media and social networks. This will definitely result into very low output. So keep away your mobile phone in a silent mode or in a switch off mode whenever you are studying. You can check your mobile when you are in study breaks of 15 minutes, which I have explained earlier. Ninth important tip is involving in physical activities or doing some physical exercises and following healthy eating lifestyles. There are studies that prove that eating healthy and working out physical exercises help students perform better in studies. You can even do yoga or meditation to get multiple health benefits to improve your memory, concentration power, reduce your stress or anxiety, to self-control, to increase your self-confidence and to self-esteem, and to have a peaceful sleep also. All these benefits will directly and indirectly help you perform well in your studies and score high marks both in the short and in the long run. 10th important tip is some do's and don'ts before and while attempting your exams. Avoid studying just one day before the exams, or at least leave half day for keeping your mind relaxed by listening to your favorite light music or playing your favorite light stressful game or reading your favorite books or novels or anything else which you think will help you relax. Don't think too much about the exams of tomorrow, next day. Just 1 or 2 days before the exam, avoid discussing about the subjects or concepts with your friends who might confuse you or you might confuse them, and also avoid discussing on the exam day. Do yoga or meditation or light physical exercises 1 day before the exam, at least for 10 to 15 minutes, to make you more confident, relaxed, and to remove your exam fear. After getting the question paper, go through it for 5 to 10 minutes and follow EMD technique, that is attempting the questions in the order of easy, medium, difficult. Here I have given just some basic tips for the exams. I will explain further about the exam tips in detail in a separate video. Please don't miss to watch it. Hope this video is useful to you, and please do follow all these tips practically to get and score 90% or above in your school examinations. Also, please keep watching our videos in future also for more useful tips on job, education and career. All the best, friends.